Hi everyone, so happy you're learning with me today. Since our lesson is on how to be the best you can be at home and at school, I'm going to share with you a new story that I just found that's one of my new favorites. It's called The World Needs More Purple People, and then we'll talk about it. The World Needs More Purple People by Kristen Bell and Benjamin Hart. Ta-da! Follow my guide to become a purple person. How to be a purple person by Penny. Now you may be asking yourself, why in the whole wide world would you want to be purple? Purple is a magic color made when red and blue work together. I think the best things in the world are purple. But you're probably wondering, what does that have to do with people? Wow, are you a genius? Because you're already on your way to becoming a purple person. Do you want to know why? Step 1, ask questions. Really great questions. My dad says purple people ask great questions. Questions about everything. Even questions about questions. Hey Dad, how far away is outer space? Hey, have you ever met a dolphin? How many dolphins live in outer space? Purple questions are the kind that help you learn something really big about the world or something really small about another person. Hey, how tall is the world's tallest rainbow? Hey, what's your bear's name? Charlie. Big questions or small questions? Dad says the more purple questions you ask, the more purple you become. How many do you think there are? He also said I can only ask 20 questions about space dolphins a day. Step 2, laugh a lot. My grandma says purple people laugh a lot. We are always laughing together. I mean, like snot out of our nose laughing. We laugh at books, we laugh at jokes. Hey, how do you make a tissue dance? You put a little boogie in it. We laugh at donkey dances and hairy elephant knees. And we really laugh at Grandpa's funny noises. Ha ha, snort. Purple laughing helps us remember the things we share and forget the things that make us different. And it's almost impossible to be angry when you're laughing. Try it. I dare you. Grandma says purple people, the more purple laughing you do, the more purple you'll become. She also says Grandpa's noises are her favorite funny noises in the whole wide world. Step 3, use your voice, but don't lose your voice. Mom says purple people use their voice and don't lose their voice. She encourages me to use my voice to sing. My dad is the one with the hairy chest who loves me more than all the rest. To give good ideas, hey, let's wear our monster costumes to school tomorrow. And to share my opinions. I personally feel that we should never be forced to eat Brussels sprouts because they smell like sweat socks. Sometimes people lose their voice, and that's okay. It happens. A purple voice helps someone who is having trouble find their own voice. Purple people don't just speak up, they also listen. Hey, maybe you could tell them that you don't like it when they call you that name. Do you want me to help you tell them? Mom says the more you use a purple voice, the more purple you become. Hey Mom, can you help me with this play? She also says she heard my opinion about Brussels sprouts, but I still have to eat them. Guess I better make a better argument. Step 4, work hard, super duper hard. Grandpa says purple people know how to work hard. He and I like to work hard when we build things, and when we learn things, and while we grow things. Purple work is the kind of work that's done together to change something that needs changing. What do we want? More playgrounds! When do we want them? Now. To fix something that needs fixing, or to help someone that needs helping. Grandpa says the more purple work you do, the more purple you'll become. He also says that no purple work has ever been done while sitting on your backside, sipping lemonade, and letting someone else do your own work. Okay, you ready for my last step? Are you ready? Are you sure? Are you sure you're sure? Are you really, really, really ready? Okay, drum roll, please. Step 5, paint yourself purple. Okay, hold on, wait. Hold up, just kidding. That's not a way to become purple. Actually, being a purple person has nothing to do with what you look like. My teacher says purple people look all sorts of ways. They're big, they're small, old and young. Some wear cool coats, while they wear shorts with lots of pockets, and some funny hats. Some say purple people feel blue sometimes, and others feel red. And sometimes purple people even have green hair. Step 5, just be you, the real you. Like my teacher always says, purple people come in every color of the rainbow that you can dream up, and every size you can think of. The only way to be purple is just be you, because you are the only you we got. So here are my surefire steps to being a purple person. Hey, wait a minute. You ask really great questions. You laugh a lot? Well, I'll be a llama's mama. You've been beautifully purple this whole time. And I'm glad you're a purple person, because the world needs purple people just like you. So to be the best you can be, we all want to be purple. You're going to ask great questions and not be afraid to ask questions. Laugh a lot, and it's okay to be silly and maybe break out some dance moves. Purple people are full of ideas. Even ideas that someone might say, that's not a good idea, but you keep trying. Purple people are hard workers. And purple people, above all, are themselves. They're not afraid to speak up for what they believe in and speak up to help other people, and not afraid to be yourself. I hope you enjoyed the story. Check in the next column for this week's assignment. See you soon.